This is Flipping 101. What's up, guys? How's it going?
Awesome, awesome.
So we have a flag lot, single level, ranch-style house. How much did you pay?
This is a 1.880 purchase.
And you flipped how many houses before this one?
We did about 5 last year, and it was lost some money on some. But then we found this one with comps listed at 2.7. So we figured with almost $1 million between the purchase and the comp, how could we go wrong?
Well, you're definitely giving me a challenge because this is like a project that would make me nervous. Let's get started.
You speak in my language.
Let's do it, guys. Wow, look at all this light. But I don't like the fact that you walk right into this wall and that wall. So if this wall was gone, now you walk through the front door and this is the view. The kitchen is back here.
Yes.
Yeah, right through here.
So some people might walk in here and look at the kitchen and say, wow, it's already remodeled. It has nice cabinets, nice appliances. But I think the kitchen needs to be demoed.
I was kind of playing around with the idea of opening up this wall and perhaps doing kind of an island overlooking into the living room.
I think you guys are on the right track, but I would run your kitchen to here, and now your kitchen is a 25-foot long kitchen. But so far, I think you guys are in decent shape.
We have 2 really oversized bedrooms.
Including the master.
Walk-in closet, okay, that's nice. Okay, wow, this is just all wrong. The design and layout is horrific. I envision right there is a huge steam shower.
That's really classy, especially at this price point.
Every space that's really like nice or popular, you want to have a focal point. That's your focal point.
I love that idea.
So let's go over the numbers real quick. You paid $1,880,000 for the house.
No, the loan is 197.
Where did the other 100,000 come from?
We have a lender, a first position lender, and we had to borrow money to get the loan.
The construction, how much? 350,000.
Yeah.
You're paying that cash though, right?
No, that's built into the loan. And we had to pay an extra 30 for that.
So your total loan is
About 2.35.
you financed the entire flip.
Yes,
How much is the monthly payment on that?
$13,000.
And this is like a 6-month project. That's $78,000 in interest. And you have over $100,000 in commission and closing. What you just told me changes everything. Your break even is probably gonna be close to 2.6 million. And you're hoping to sell for 2.7 million. Wrapping the house and the rehab into the loan was a huge mistake. I have never run across someone that's financed 100% of the purchase and 100% of the construction. So we need to move super fast and try to get this house done in 12 weeks to save on the holding costs. All right?
Awesome.
Yeah.
There is so much to do with this flip, but the one thing that Patricia and Legacy need to nail is the design. It has to be absolutely beautiful or this flip will never make it. What is your vision for this master bathroom? Because in a $3 million price range, like the master bathroom has to blow people out of the water.
I just love the veining of this black. Gives it more of a sexy vibe, more moody, kind of just like run it up that wall.
I think the bathroom design is gonna be just perfect. So what is this here?
So this was my idea for the kitchen. I wanted this red oak to run horizontally. And I feel like it's very neutral, very earthy, and then I've got this amazing piece of busy marble I was thinking of using as the countertops, and I kind of also wanted to run it up as a backsplash.
Okay, so are you realizing these are really busy cabinets? People are ripping oak out of their houses. They're not putting oak in their houses. It's a $3 million house, so it's whether you want to take that risk or not.
I really feel like I'm willing to take that risk. I feel like maybe it could be a new trend.
So what you're saying is you're not going with my advice.
I'm gonna stick to my guns on this one.
Oh, no.
I don't want to be someone that's just like following a trend and doing something that's been overdone over and over and over. I'm just gonna still keep looking forward and go with the vision that I have.
Legacy and Patricia are just hemorrhaging money right now. They're nearly 2 months behind schedule, which by itself is nearly $26,000 in holding costs.
We're really making a big push to get this finished. One side of the fireplace is being tiled with the modern glossy gray, and the other side has a more warm, wood-looking tile for the family room. And we finally have our master bath tile installed.
Oh my God, look at that shower. I'm stealing this one from you guys. I'm stealing this one. You want the focal point to be the tile, so I would just go with a solid piece of glass, black frame.
I love it.
That's awesome.
Cool. You guys killed it in here. I can't wait to see this done.
This is our last week. We've been really pushing hard, and this is a disaster. I just cannot believe these cabinets. It was supposed to be a different green. It was supposed to run horizontally. It wasn't supposed to be stained. I mean, they are disgusting.
Honestly, I'm almost lost for words right now. Like, the house is beautiful, and look at your counter, look at your backsplash, and look at your full-grain oak cabinets. This is exactly what I was concerned about when we went shopping. Those two looks just don't go together. With cabinets that aren't really popular, they're not in style, and they're not in fashion. What is that gonna do to the buyers?
Deter them.
We can't sell the house like this for $3 million.
You're right.
Eat the money, take the loss, pay the extra carry costs, and fix the problem. Losing a few thousand here is gonna be a lot better than losing tens of thousands on the sale.
All right, let's get him on the phone.
All right.
Okay. All right, so these cabinets compared to the first set, what do you think?
Way better.
I'm very, very happy with them.
We're gonna have to see what happens once we get the house on the market, but standing in the kitchen, looking that way, you guys killed this house. There's a reason because of the amount of money you spent. So I wanna talk about those numbers. You paid $2 million for the house.
Yep.
The original rehab budget was $350,000.
That's right.
We ended up at $430,000, so we went over budget.
Severely.
And when you go to sell the house with your closing costs and commission, it's gonna be $150,000, $69,000 in carrying costs, so your break even is gonna be $2,649,000. I did
Yes.
run the comps, so my suggestion is list it anywhere between $2.9 and $3 million. I think if you go 2.925, you can't go wrong.
I like that number a lot.
Now we just gotta sell it. Flipping a multi-million-dollar home is never easy. Legacy and Patricia needed to walk the line between high-end design and appealing to the masses. It's been a struggle, but now's the time to see if they made it work. We're gonna be in my mobile office watching the open house go down.
I like the entrance of the house.
I like the color. It's really
The
nice.
black and white one.
Yeah.
Okay, it's starting.
Wow, it's like so big.
The space looks amazing. I mean, opening it up, it just came out great.
I love all the windows.
And
I like them black.
sliders.
Do you like them black?
I do like it black.
Good thing those windows and sliders came in, huh?
Oh my goodness.
If they only knew.
I like the cabinets. I just think it's a little bit too busy. The combination of this busy and this being busy.
That's what I told you.
Wow, look at this.
Oh, and they have a whole different tile on this side.
That was a great idea. I've never done that myself, and 100% I'm stealing it. All right, they're in the bedroom wing of the house. I want to see what they say about that master.
Oh, wow. I actually like it.
Really? I'm not sure about the wallpaper.
What do you mean you're not sure about the wallpaper? It's an accent wall.
Whoa. Look at this bathroom.
Kind of has like a nautical theme
Right,
going on over
yeah.
there.
That's what we were going for.
I like the backyard.
Not enough sitting area.
So how does it feel when you hear people saying bad things about all your hard work?
It makes me doubt everything. Like, what if this house is just gonna sit here because people are not gonna like the decisions that I made?
All right, well, we had some very interesting feedback. So what are the biggest lessons you've learned?
Thinking of like how much money it's actually costing us.
As a whole, you guys did an amazing job. There's not many people that can come in and do one of their first flips and create a product like the house you guys created. But don't over leverage yourself. Don't pay too much money. Don't have delays on your project. Because on the next project, if you make the same mistakes, you're gonna be out of business. You can never make those mistakes again.
Got it. Understood.
I was worried these two wouldn't make it out of this flip alive, but shortly after listing, they got multiple offers and a bidding war. They eventually accepted a full price offer of $2,925,000.